Hey guys, got a 2006 Volvo S80 over here. We're gonna take a look at the muffler delete that I put on here. It's 30 degrees outside today, and I decided to show you guys the cold startup. So let's take a look. All I did was take a look under here, cut the pipe right there, and then ran a pipe right back. Real simple. Here, I'll rev it up for you guys a little bit. I think I'm gonna give it a minute here to actually warm up, and then I'll rev it again. And I moved into the garage here. My sub's in there. Let's hear it from inside the car. This. Damn. Alright, let's try. Let me hear it again. That's a good place to put this bitch. Nice thud, just at idle like that. otherwise, that's about it. Cost me probably $50 in total. First I clamped all the pipes on there, then I welded them. Went to Napa. It has a 3-inch conversion on there, right here. Steps it up from the 2.5, so that's a stock exhaust. Steps it up to the 3-inch, out to the 3-inch tip right here. And then it's just a 90-degree turn right there to bring it out. Let me know. Does that sound good or bad? So I was looking for opinions to see if I could should put a 3-inch down pipe on there or just do a whole full exhaust instead of that. Alright, thanks.